Did you know you can save over 60% of your fish feed cost just by growing natural aquatic plants?
Yes.
These plants grow fast, are packed with nutrients, and your fish will love them. In today's video, I'll be revealing the top 5 aquatic plants you can easily grow to feed your fish naturally and keep your pond ecosystem healthy. Welcome back to Aquamarket 7, the channel that brings you smart farming tips, success stories, and market insights to grow your fish farming business profitably. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our upcoming aquaculture videos. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Here are the top 5 aquatic plants that you can use to reduce the cost of feed as a fish farmer. Number 1. Duckweed. Duckweed is one of the fastest growing aquatic plants. It can double in size within days. It's rich in protein, about 35 to 45%, and perfect for catfish, tilapia, and other omnivorous fish. It's easy to grow in a small pond, tank, or even a basin. Just make sure it gets enough sunlight. Pro tip: harvest regularly to avoid overcrowding your pond. Number 2. Azolla. Azolla is a small floating water fern that fixes nitrogen in water. That means it improves pond quality while feeding your fish. It contains 25 to 30% protein, making it a fantastic supplement for your fish feed. Pro tip: mix azolla with other feed materials like ground maize or fish meal for better nutrition balance. Number 3. Water lettuce. Water lettuce helps shade the pond, reduces water temperature, and provides a natural snack for herbivorous fish. While it's not very high in protein, it's a good source of roughage that supports digestion. Pro tip: don't let it cover the whole pond. Too much can block sunlight and reduce oxygen levels. Number 4. Water hyacinth. Though often called a nuisance weed, water hyacinth can be useful when handled properly. When dried or fermented, it becomes a valuable feed ingredient rich in fiber and minerals. Pro tip: never feed it raw. Always process it first to prevent digestive issues. Number 5. Spirogyra. This is the natural green layer you often see in ponds. Spirogyra is full of minerals, vitamins, and chlorophyll. Fish, especially tilapia, graze on it naturally, meaning you don't even have to harvest it. Pro tip: maintain balanced sunlight exposure. Too much can cause oxygen depletion at night. Here's the summary of the whole video. So, those are the top 5 aquatic plants you can grow to reduce feed cost and improve fish health naturally. Duckweed, azolla, water lettuce, water hyacinth, and spirogyra. Combining these plants gives your fish a natural, balanced diet, saves you money, and keeps your pond clean and healthy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Aquamarket 7 for more practical fish farming tips and success stories. Comment below which of these plants you're already growing or planning to start with. I'd love to hear from you.